Lesson Bob and the Bathtub. In this lesson, the main character is a small boy, you can see in the picture. He enjoys taking bath in the bathtub. He likes to remain in the bathtub for long time, long hours. He is not satisfied even after staying for hours together. So the main character is Bob, and the main thing of attraction in this lesson is bathtub. In the starter kit in page 39, do you have a bathtub in your bathroom? Name some of the things you have in your bathroom. Do you have the ones shown here? Also say what we use them for. Children, you can see a few things shown in the picture here that will be present in the bathroom. There is a sink, there is a tap fixed to the sink, there is a hanger, towel is hung to the hanger, there is a mirror in front of the sink, there is a soap box, soap case, and there is soap, and there is toothpaste, there is toothbrush. These are very common things which you find in any bathroom. But finding bathtub is rare in a country like ours. In India it is very rare, but in rich countries like Western countries, almost every bathroom will have a bathtub of this kind. Okay, children, so people will lie in the bathroom and they take shower in the bathroom. You can see the tap is attached to the bathtub also. So they enjoy taking shower in that. And for what these things are used? So it's very common things. You will be already knowing what these things are used for. Mirror is used to look into our face, and sink is used for brushing your teeth. Soap is used to clean your body. Towel to wipe your body after taking bath or washing your face. Okay, now here the text part starts, and we'll be reading the text once. You can follow along with me. You can point your finger where I am reading, and then yes. My little brother Bob is 3 years old. He loves everybody and everything. But what he likes best is the bathtub. Bob doesn't care if the bathtub is full or empty. Every morning, Mum gives Bob a bath. Bob likes staying in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out. Mum has to pull him out of the tub. Bob starts crying. Bob, you have been in the tub for an hour, says Mum. Now put on your clothes and drink your milk. No, no, cries Bob. No clothes, no milk. I wanna stay here. If the tub is empty, Bob throws his toys into the tub. Then he climbs in and starts playing with them. He plays until we make him get out. So we have to keep the bathroom door shut. Yesterday, Bob gave me a big shock. I filled the tub with water and bubble bath. Before I got into the tub, the telephone rang. I shut the bathroom door and went to pick up the phone. A minute later, when I came back, the bathroom door was open. Bob was in the tub with all his clothes on. He was covered with bubbles, and he was not alone. Mac, our little dog, was with him in the tub. Bob, what are you doing? I cried. I am giving Mac a bath, he said. I yanked Bob and Mac out of the tub and called my mother. Mother dried them off. Then she asked Bob, "How did you get into the bathroom?" Bob reached up on his toes and turned the doorknob. "I am a big boy," he said with a happy smile. "Last night, Dad locked the bathroom door. He put the key where Bob can't reach it." Yes, this is the story about a small boy Bob. We will see the meaning of these paragraphs in the next video. Thank you, children.